Here's how you can add a custom watermark to any photo or video that you currently have. So you want to first go ahead and go into your Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store, and then you want to install this CapCut, which is a video editor, and then simply click on the open once you have installed it. So you just want to import the photo or the video that you want to add your watermark to. So after you have imported that, we can delete this ending. What you want to do is go ahead and click on text, add text, and then add your watermark. So you can make it whatever you want. So I'm just going to say like Joe Mama as my watermark. Maybe you want to include an @ symbol for your watermark. And then now you can place it anywhere. You can also make your watermark smaller or bigger depending on your personal preference. You can also go ahead and change the font, change the coloring, all that good stuff. And once you finish playing with it, adjusting it, I'm going to place mine right over here. All you have to do is fill it out for the entire photo or the video it is. Click on Style. Down, you can find this option that says Opacity. You can also change that down so you can make it more translucent depending on how you like it as personal preference. I'd say that's a pretty good transparency. So once again, that is going to be my watermark. You can place it wherever you want in your photo or the video, and simply click on the export button on the top right hand corner. There you go. You have just exported your photo or your video with a watermark.